So we were looking at how to calculate percentages by quantity given to us. तो हमने अभी यहाँ पे मैथ्स के मार्क्स को चेंज किया था परसेंटेज में, एंड नाउ विल बी चेंजिंग द मार्क्स ऑफ इंग्लिश इनटू अ परसेंटेज. सो इफ यू सी ओवर हियर we have cut the zeros out here, and now we were cutting 2 and 10. So 2 1s are is 2 and 2 5s are is 10. Now we are left out with 15 and 5, so I'll multiply 15 with 5. So 15 multiplied by 5%, 5 is not alone, and that's equal to 5 5s are is 25. So 5 comes out here, 2 goes up. So 5 1s are is 5 plus 2, 6 and 7. So 75% is my answer. Don't forget the percentage sign. You can see that a student has received 90% in maths and 75% in English. This is how we change a quantity into a percentage. Remember, जितनी value हम consider कर रहे हैं, like we were considering the gain marks here, divided by the total marks and multiplied by the 100. Let's talk about the attendance. So you might have seen that the teacher, whenever you enter in the classroom, in the first period, your class teacher comes in and she asks how many students are present or absent. So what does she do with your attendance? She actually calculates your attendance at the end of the month. She sees which student was punctual in school, was coming to school regularly. So what she does is, she just calculates your attendance. She just records attendance every day. She records your percentage, your attendance every day, and at the end of the month, what she does is she calculates or changes your attendance into a percentage. So let's suppose we have 3 classes over here, grade 7, grade 8 and grade 9. So I'll be teaching you guys how do our teachers actually change the our attendance into percentage. If you see over here, let's suppose in grade 7 we have number of students present, number of present students as is equals to, let's say we have 80 students present in the class, and the total number of students were 20. So how many or if we say what percentage of students were present in the class. I just made a mistake over here, just what the person said over here. So my question is, what percentage of the students were present in the class? So how can I just calculate it? So I know that my first thing is, are you writing the gain or the considering amount? हम चेक करें कि कितने बच्चे प्रेजेंट हैं क्लास में, तो हम लिखेंगे कितने बच्चे प्रेजेंट हैं, दैट इज 18 डिवाइडेड बाय 20, दैट्स द टोटल अमाउंट, and I want to change it into percentage, so I'll multiply it with 100%. So 100%, right? So here if you see over here, we have zeros in the 100 and zeros with the 20. So this 0 and this 0 gets cancelled. Now we are left out with 2 and 10, and they seem to be coming in the same table. So 2 1s are is 2 and 2 5s are is 10, right? Now we are left out with 18 and 5, so I'll be multiplying them. So 18 into 5%, not only 5, gives me what? If you see over here, 5 8s are is 40, so 0 comes down here, 4 goes up as the carryover, 5 1s are is 5 plus 4 is 9, so our answer is 90%. So we know that 90% of the students are present in grade 7. So let's calculate for grade 8. So let's move on. Let's calculate for grade 8 now. So let's suppose the number of students present, I'm just going to write it like this, present students is equals to, let's say there are 12 students present in the class. Total number of students, let's say total number of students are 20, and we need to calculate the percentage students present in the class. So what I will do is, as everyone know, we write the number of students present in the class, that is 12, divided by 20, and then because I want to change this value into percentage, so I'll be multiplying with 100, so multiplied by 100%. So we know that zeros are there. There's a 0 in the 100 also, and there's a 0 with a 20, so I'll be cutting the zeros here, right? 1 0 यहाँ पे था और 1 0 यहाँ पे, so they got cut over here. So we are left out with 2 and 10. So we know that 2 1s are is 2 and 2 5s are is 10. So now 12 5s are is what? 12 into 5%. 12 into 5% is how much? So 5 2s are is 10. 1 carry over. So 5 1s are is 5 plus 1 is 6. So we are getting 60% as our answer. So we say that 60% of the students are present in class 8. So let me give you a homework here. You will be calculating the percentage for grade 9. So let's say we have present number of present students. Let's say we have present students let's say we have 16 children present in the class, and total number of students are 22. So we need to calculate how many students are present in the class. That's your homework. You will be doing it in the video or after you have done it with the video, so you can send your answers in the chats below. Alright, so let's move on to the next part of the video. Moving back to our book, so let's see how we can apply this knowledge in the questions. So let me see my screen over here. If you see over here in the question, for example number 3, the question is there are 90 teachers in a school. एक स्कूल में 90 teachers हैं, of which 40 are male. 90 टीचर में से 40 टीचर जो हैं मेल हैं. So we need to calculate the percentage of male teachers कि कितने स्कूल में male teachers हैं. So what I will do is, first step, I know कि हमें क्या करना है, क्या calculate करना है. We need to calculate the male teachers in the school. So male teachers, how many teachers are there? Male teachers in the school are, there are 40 male teachers. I will do the same thing which I have done before for attendance. जो चीज़ required है उसकी वजह यहाँ पे लिखेंगे. We require the number of male teachers, that's 40. Then I require the total number of teachers. स्कूल में कितने teachers थे? स्कूल में हमारे पास 90 teachers थे. I want to change this into percentage. So what I will do, so percentage, I'm going to put a shortcut over here. So 40, that is the number of male teachers, divided by the 90, that is the total number of teachers, multiplied by 100%. That is because I want to change my answer into a percentage, right? अब यहाँ पे हमें क्या करना होगा, zeros अगर हैं, first thing मुझे याद रखो, whenever you're doing cutting over here, look for zeros, because zeros make our work easier. Zeros are cut easily, so our work is easy. Either you cut the zeros up and down, or you can cut the zeros here and there. I'm going to cut it up and down. You do the either way, you get the same answers. So now I'm left out with 4 upon 9 into 100. So what I will do is 4 into 100% is what? It's 400% divided by 9. You can do division over here. 9 comes outside, 400 goes inside. You know that 9 5s are is 40. No, it's 9 8s are is 40. So 9 8s are is 40. So 40 comes down. Sorry, my mistake over here. Where my mind is today. It's 9 5s are is 40. I'm going to do a table right now. So 9